Hello everyone, I'm Elena Genar Andreu, search engine optimization specialist and business strategist. And today I want to talk to you about how I managed to change and transform my life from being stressed, anxious, not enjoying quite anything. I was actually exhausted. I heard about Catherine Galea and her mindfulness course, and I was a bit skeptical because, to be honest, I've tried some other courses before without to see much difference. And I said to myself, okay, let me try, but I didn't have much expectation. As I started to work with Catherine, I started to understand what self-awareness really means. How I must to take care of myself, how to try to understand myself and not to be so judgmental, and what I really need to bring in my life so to have the balance. I heard before about mindfulness, but I didn't pay much attention to what it is and what really means and how it helps. But now I understand that mindfulness is about enjoying life, about feeling secure and loving yourself, about coping with different and hard situation, and learn to understand and really love yourself. Now I can see that I start to listening and I start to see things that I never noticed before. And I start to feel comfortable to share and talk about my problems. I'm so grateful that I took this course. And Catherine, thank you so much for helping me.